In this tutorial, I'll show you how to organize your personal life in Clickup so you can manage tasks, routines, and goals all in one place. Start by opening your Clickup workspace and heading to your main dashboard. This is where everything begins. Next, go to your team space on the left sidebar and hover over it. Click on the three dots to open more options. From the menu, select Template. This allows you to use ready-made setups instead of building everything from scratch. Click Browse Templates and use the search bar to type Personal or Personal Life. This will show templates designed for organizing daily routines and life tasks. Choose a template that fits your needs. Something simple with sections for tasks, routines, and schedules works best. Click Use Template. Then give it a clear name like Personal Planner or Life Dashboard so you can easily find it later. Now customize your setup. You can add lists for habits, appointments, meal planning, or anything else that fits your lifestyle. Take a few minutes to adjust it so it feels natural and easy to use. For better organization, you can also add views like calendar or board to visualize your schedule more clearly. And that's it. You now have a complete system to organize your personal life in Clickup and stay on top of everything.